Want to update your Telegram profile pic for a fresh new look? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through every single step to change your profile picture on Telegram web. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently switch up your profile photo, add some personality to your account, and make your chats feel more like you, all without any confusion or hassle. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up your web browser and head straight to webtelegram.org. If this is your first time using Telegram on the web, just log in with your phone number and verification code. Telegram web makes it super convenient since you can change your profile picture from any computer, no app download needed. Now, once you've logged in, take a look up at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see your name and your current profile picture right there. Go ahead and click on either your picture or your name. Both will open the sidebar menu that lets you fiddle with your personal settings. I know sometimes people miss that small corner, but don't worry, just look for your identity up top. In the sidebar menu, you'll find a little gear icon labeled Settings. Click that gear. That's your gateway to personalizing your account, from notifications to privacy and, of course, your profile photo. You should now be in the Settings menu, where you see your profile details front and center. Click your current picture again. This extra click brings up your full profile details, making it easy to see and adjust your profile settings. Even if you're not sure which picture you're using right now, you'll be able to see a preview here. Here, where the magic happens. Look for either a Change Photo button or a camera icon hovering over your image. Sometimes the interface changes slightly, but either will get you there. Click it and you'll get a few choices on how you want to update your profile image. You have some options here. The most common is to upload a new image from your device. If you want to do that, choose Upload Photo or Open Gallery and pick a file from your computer. You can select any everyday image, maybe a selfie, a favorite landscape, even your beloved pet. Just remember, Telegram likes square images, so a 1:1 ratio works best for profile pictures, though will crop as needed in a moment. If you don't want to use a real photo, Telegram even lets you pick an emoji or set an animated video as your profile image. This can be a fun way to show off your mood or interests without sharing a personal photo. For example, a smiling face emoji or a short looping video can make your profile feel more dynamic and engaging. Once you've chosen your image, you'll have the chance to make a few adjustments. Take a moment here. You can crop or zoom in, making sure your face is centered or that the important part of the image is what appears in that little circle everyone sees. Don't worry if your image looks a bit off at first. You can slide it around until it looks just right. When you're happy with your adjustments, just click that checkmark or the Save button to confirm. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to upload the new picture, especially if your image file is large, so don't stress if it's not instant. And there you have it, your Telegram profile picture is officially updated. This new photo will show up for your friends and contacts, making your account feel refreshed and recognizable. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there are other Telegram tips you'd like to see. Consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tech guides. I release new tutorials every week to help you stay savvy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.